Your air conditioner is going to have some filters on the inside, which are likely right here. And once a year you want to take the filter out and rinse it off and put it back. Up on the roof, the air conditioning unit has some fins that can get plugged up with crap in the air, dust and so on. And what I've done in our trailer, I think I've only done it once so far, is to take the upper cover off the air conditioner with the power turned off, and to clean out those fins using a garden hose, and being careful not to spray too much water, because if you do, it's all going to come running down into the trailer. So what they sometimes suggest is that you use actually a spray bottle, just a little hand pump spray bottle like the thing that you get Windex in, and fill that with some water and just spray it onto the fins, and making sure that the water is going to run not into the trailer, but put some towels down or something, and that way keeps those fins clear up on the roof. The thing is, you got to be on the roof, and that's an issue if you're afraid of heights, or if you're not afraid of heights and then you fall off the roof. That's not good either.